Hello everyone, this is Nivin Balamurugan from Oogyy. In this video, I'm gonna give you a clear explanation on how to create a educational YouTube channel and teach online, how you can create videos without showing your face or with face, how you can rank your videos on YouTube search result on the top page, how you can manage your students, how you can share your videos and get more views. So there are a lot of topics to cover in this video. So without any delay, let's get into the video now. So step 1, creating a YouTube channel and earning online. To create a YouTube channel, we must have a Gmail account, and I think everyone will have a Gmail account, so there'll be no issues in it. So using the Gmail, log into YouTube, click the profile picture in the right corner on the top, just select create channel and give your channel a name and a profile picture, and that's it. Your brand new educational YouTube channel is created. And also there is an earning opportunity from YouTube's partner program, which has some eligibility criteria to be fulfilled by your channel and you. So number 1, 1000 subscribers plus 4000 watch hours, or 1000 subscribers plus 10 million shorts views. So these are the two eligibility criteria to join the YouTube partner program. After completing or achieving this eligibility criteria, you can apply for the monetization. After that monetization approval, you need to create an AdSense account, and after creating an AdSense account, just link the AdSense account with your YouTube channel, which shows ads in your video, and start generating revenue. Okay, so now let's get into step 2, creating high quality teaching videos. Creating quality content is the key to build a quality community and to sustain in the YouTube journey. So most of the people will feel shy or uncomfortable to create teaching videos in front of the camera. So let me give you a super idea. Using Oogyy, you can create and record your own live teaching sessions, and you can upload directly to the YouTube. There is a lot of digital tools available in Oogyy which helps you to teach effectively, and at the same time you can record yourself and save the video, and you can directly upload to the YouTube. Now it's step 3, uploading and optimizing your YouTube video. Creating a YouTube video is the first most important thing. And second thing is optimizing your video according to the YouTube algorithm. So uploading your video is not a big deal. Just go to your channel and click upload and select the files you need to upload into your channel. But when you upload the video, there will be 3 sections out there: title, description and tags. Using the relevant keyword or the relevant title in the title, description and tags gives the YouTube algorithm the clear-cut information about your video, which results in the higher position in the search results. For example, if your video is about 10th physics subject, so your title, description and tag section must have the keyword 10th physics and the relevant subject name. So this gives the clear-cut information to the YouTube algorithm what the video is actually about. So giving these relevant keywords in the title, tags and description will result the video in the topmost result page in the YouTube. Now it's step 4, managing your online students. After creating a lot of contents and videos in YouTube through your YouTube channel, there will be a lot of students interested in your personal coaching, right? So in this case, you might need a personal digital space to manage your online students. In this scenario, Oogyy is the right fit for your online coaching business. Oogyy has a lot of inbuilt tools like HRM, CRM, LMS, marketing, analytics and more, which helps you to manage your online students through just your mobile phone. And finally, it's step 5, sharing your online content. Sharing your YouTube video across multiple platforms increase the views organically. You can also use Oogyy's marketing tools to create instant social media posters and share them across multiple platforms. So that's it guys, we have covered a lot in this video, from creating a YouTube channel to managing your students online. And if you have any doubt, please leave it in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon. So see you next video. Signing off from Nivin. Bye.